My name is Yves Decan, and I'm the owner of Munich Icons in Belgium, a business that is rebuilding classic BMWs. Munich Icons started, I think, in winter 2017-2018. It started with an idea. Actually, I was already busy with BMWs as a hobby. I had quite some cars in the past. I used to drive a 7 Series as a daily car. I had some 5 Series before that. In the past, my dad had a lot of BMWs as well. He actually owned an E28 M5 when I was 19 years old. And at some occasions, he gave me that car to go to school. And that was, of course, quite something. I had a lot of friends that were interested in cars as well. And then we took it out for a spin and basically made ourselves look like fools with the car. But that's something that always stayed with me in my mind. One day a guy came into my shop and he said to me, I have this E21 and I want to get rid of it because, I don't know, it's an ongoing project, but I don't see the end of it and I'm not exactly sure what to do with and this and that. So I went to see the car and decided to buy it. And the first idea was just to make it up, do a couple of small modifications and just sell the car on and maybe get another one and just build another one and sell that again and again and again and again. But the story took a different turning. You know, I took the car out for a spin a couple of times. It was actually quite nice to drive. It was my first E21 that I had for me personally, and I fell in love with it. And gradually, yeah, I decided to keep evolving the car, and it all started from there, and then we took it to a whole different level when we took it apart again and decided to make something crazy out of it and use it as a demonstrator car for Munich Icons. You know, we needed something to display all our knowledge that we have gathered in the past. Whatever we could, we just put it in the car, was it bodywork or mechanics or suspension-wise or just the whole package. And that is what we have today. A very special E21 that is, yeah, my car, you know. It's my style, it's my design, and 100% me. Project R3born, that is in fact a full makeover of a classic E21, and my silver car is actually the prototype in which we develop all the new parts that we are going to put in that brand new car. We want to make a small series of these cars. I already have a number of engine choices. We have 3 engines. We have like a couple of kinds of seats you can choose from, but there's always like one basic car. Making the ultimate E21, you know, like a classic E21, but with a modern heart. Anybody can drive that car. It will have a lot of performance. It will have very good brakes, for instance. It will have very good suspension. It will have everything it needs, but it will still look classic. Reborn needs to be an E21 that is accessible to everybody. You know, it's an E21 with a lot of power in it, but still we have to develop it in a way that any driver can just take the car for a spin, be it on the roads or on the track, and get like 95% out of the car just like this. You don't need to be a race driver to be able to handle it.